Hey guys, how you doing? Thanks for tuning in. It's me, Chico, and I'm bringing this back. Anyhow, hey, thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe, and share, and I appreciate all the love. I'm trying to just put out some very great content for everybody. So today, I'm gonna be talking about my recent travels over to Europe. It was for 2 full weeks, and I purchased the backpack off of Amazon. This is the backpack. So this is the Amazon Basic backpack. I'm guessing it's about a 46 liter. It's relatively small. I used it for 2 full weeks and I was okay with it. I just didn't have enough room to bring like some souvenirs back, so that was the downfall. But I wanted to try this backpack out just because it was $50, you know. And as you can see, you know, you have your compression straps here. So when I was traveling, I actually had, you know, a packable snow jacket, and I rolled it up, and I had it right here. I just pulled the straps down. It was good. My headphones and everything, I always put them on the handle. The backpack straps, shoulder straps come out, and there's also this little, you know, chest strap. Now, the biggest downfall on this for me, now this is just a personal thing for me, 2 things. When you connect these shoulder straps down here, now I'm 6 foot, 260 pounds, okay? When I put this backpack on, this thing right here digs into my side. When I have a full load, full pack, it digs into my side. It wasn't a big deal because I had on 2 layers. So I had on my thermal sweatshirt, and then I had on my jacket. So I really couldn't feel it. But when I took the jacket off and I just had my thermal sweater or a t-shirt, it dug into me and it actually hurt pretty bad. Just being sore. The other thing, there's really not a front pocket where I can put stuff like my passport and itinerary, pens and everything. You got to use this big pocket in the front, and it's pretty cool, you know, because I did have my passport right here and itinerary, but this wasn't a secure pocket right here. You couldn't lock it, you know what I mean? So that right there was a downturn for me. You can, however, lock the main compartment, you know, and I did that. I have my lock, but that front pocket and these straps, the little holder, that's what pretty much killed it. What I did notice, my wife, she was telling me about this. It's actually starting to come apart. So as you can see right there, it's starting to come apart from the bottom. And on the other side, on the compression strap, see how that's coming apart? So quality wise, I give it a F. Okay, but it could have been a little bit more comfortable, put it that way. So we went to Ireland, Amsterdam, Brussels, Egypt, and Spain. So I had the backpack all over the place, and it rained a couple of times. It will soak up some rain, just to let you know. If it's raining very hard, it's gonna soak up some rain. So I just wanted to test that out, and I'm gonna be sending it back because I want to get something else. I'll maybe get the Tortuga just for travels. But that was the Amazon Basics backpack, traveler's pack. They don't specify how many liters on the website, but I put it at about 46. It's TSA approved, so you can take it on any flight, and it's a carry-on approved, so it's not, you're not gonna get charged for bag fees. Other than that, I traveled using these bad boys, which I absolutely love these. Tripped packing cubes. And I bought the 5-pack, I believe, or a 6-pack, I think. I got the gray with orange just because they're closer to, Chicago Bears. I love them. But these bad boys are worth every dime. I mean, I packed so much into these, and the quality, and just the quality in the zipper is amazing. Never had any problems out of them while I was traveling. I packed 7 t-shirts rolled up, 7 pair of boxers, about 3 or 4 pair of jeans or pants, and I never had any issues. They packed very well. I've had 2 of them in the backpack, and I had my cosmetic bag at the very top, and I had no issues. It was perfect. So I suggest you get these Tripped packing cubes. My wife has the white and green. I have these charcoal and orange. And what I love about it, comes with this bag right here, which as backpackers, you need to keep something for dirty clothes. Perfect. So I put all my dirty clothes in here, and never had any issues, and it was awesome. So I'll see you on the other side. I appreciate you for tuning in. These are some newer videos. I'm still kind of getting used to it. So if you have any tips on, what I can do to improve video quality, sound quality, orientation of video, that would be cool. I travel a lot, and I want to put out as much valuable content as I can to people, because when I travel, I look on YouTube. I go to YouTube and I look for important tips and things like that, depending on the country that I'm going. So YouTube helped me out a lot, and now I want to put, my best foot forward and give some shared knowledge or whatever to the people. So find me on Instagram. It's me, Chico _. Find me on Facebook, Angel Brasino. And till next time, peace.